Dreams are a bridge between the conscious and subconscious, filled with symbols that provide insight into our emotions, fears, and aspirations. Today, we'll explore 10 more common dream symbols, each offering a unique perspective on the inner workings of the mind. These symbols, roads, shadows, animals, and more, hold keys to understanding your journey through life. 1. Roads or paths. Let's start with roads or paths. In dreams, they often symbolize life's direction, the choices we face, and the progress we make. A clear, straight path represents clarity in your goals, a sense of purpose and confidence in your journey. In contrast, a blocked or winding path reflects challenges, uncertainty, or hesitation about your future. The condition of the road, smooth, rough, or overgrown, can also reflect how you perceive the current state of your life. Remember, every path has its lessons, whether it's easy or difficult to navigate. 2. Shadows. Shadows in dreams are powerful symbols of the hidden aspects of ourselves. They represent fears, emotions, or parts of our personality that we may be avoiding or unaware of. Encountering a shadow might feel unsettling, but it's an invitation to explore these hidden corners of your psyche. By confronting your shadow self, you can gain a deeper understanding of who you are and what you may need to address or accept in your waking life. 3. Animals. Animals in dreams are rich with symbolism, often representing instincts, emotions, or specific personality traits. For example, a cat may symbolize independence, mystery, or intuition. Dreaming of a dog can signify loyalty, friendship, or a need for companionship. Birds often represent freedom, aspiration, or spiritual elevation, depending on their actions in the dream. The behavior and type of animal can provide additional clues about the message your subconscious is sending. Animals remind us to connect with our primal instincts and emotional truths. 4. Light and darkness. Light and darkness are universal dream symbols tied to knowledge, clarity, and the fear of the unknown. Light in a dream often symbolizes hope, understanding, or a revelation. It's a sign that you're gaining insight into a situation or yourself. Conversely, darkness represents uncertainty, ignorance, or unresolved fears. Dreaming of moving from darkness into light can symbolize personal growth or the resolution of a challenging period, while being trapped in darkness may reflect unresolved doubts or anxieties. 5. Clocks. Clocks in dreams remind us of the passage of time, urgency, or our awareness of mortality. A functioning clock may signify a need for structure and discipline, while a broken or malfunctioning clock often reflects anxiety about time slipping away. You might feel you're running out of time to achieve something important, or perhaps you feel out of control in your current circumstances. Dreams of clocks encourage reflection on how you manage your time and what truly matters in your life. 6. Keys. Keys are potent symbols of solutions, access, and opportunities. Discovering a key in a dream often signifies unlocking new possibilities or finding answers to a pressing question in your waking life. On the other hand, losing a key can reflect feelings of frustration, being locked out, or missing out on an opportunity. Keys remind us that the answers we seek often lie within, waiting for us to uncover them. 7. Bridges. Bridges in dreams symbolize transitions, connections, and the ability to overcome obstacles. Crossing a bridge often reflects a significant life change or moving from one phase of life to another. However, if the bridge is broken or unstable, it might indicate fear or uncertainty about the path ahead. Bridges remind us that even when the journey feels precarious, persistence and courage can carry us to new horizons. 8. Nudity. Dreams of nudity can evoke feelings of vulnerability, exposure, or authenticity. Being naked in a dream often symbolizes concerns about being judged or feelings of embarrassment. It can also reflect a desire for honesty and openness, suggesting that you yearn to shed pretenses and be your true self. Embracing nudity in dreams might signal personal growth, a step toward self-acceptance, or a longing for freedom from societal expectations. 9. Fire. Fire is a dynamic dream symbol, representing passion, transformation, and sometimes destruction. A controlled fire, like a fireplace or campfire, often symbolizes warmth, passion, and renewal. It can reflect the energy and drive fueling your ambitions. Conversely, an out-of-control blaze may indicate feelings of anger, chaos, or a situation in your life spiraling beyond your control. Dreams of fire urge us to reflect on how we manage our inner passions and whether we need to extinguish destructive tendencies. 10. Climbing. Climbing is a powerful symbol of ambition, struggle, and progress. Dreaming of climbing uphill often reflects hard work and perseverance toward your goals. The steeper the climb, the greater the challenge and the reward. If you slip or fall during the climb, it might symbolize setbacks, self-doubt, or obstacles holding you back. Climbing dreams remind us that progress requires determination, but every step, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goals. These 10 dream symbols, roads, shadows, animals, and more, offer profound insights into your subconscious. While the meanings can be universal, the true significance of each dream lies in your personal experiences and emotions. By exploring these symbols and reflecting on your dreams, you can uncover hidden truths and navigate your waking life with greater clarity. Dreams are more than fleeting images. They are powerful messages from within. Sweet dreams. And may your subconscious continue to inspire and guide you. Thank you for watching. We see us in the next video.